the people that were on these marches,
Yeah.
I see how they're talked about on my feed. Retarded football hooligans.
Yeah.
You name it. Insulting, uneducated. A lot of it is denigrated mockery of working class people.
Yeah.
Is there anything in the response to these protests that you think is actually adding fuel to the fire?
What I have seen is a shift from a left that once had many working class people in it who worked as shop stewards and union organisers in the shipbuilding industry, in the coal mines, who understood working class people, who are rooted in communities. And now, unfortunately, there's quite a lot of student and academic types, many of whom come from middle class, posh backgrounds, who will never live and breathe what working class people live and breathe, and they will project onto them what they think are their values. I'm never ever going to excuse racism, regardless of how poor you are, but have to sometimes go upstream and find out why people are falling in the well. Why are people being radicalized, and how can we stop it? The far right feed on deprivation and despair.